Think everything you know about success is true? Get ready to have your mind blown. Here are 3 success facts that will completely change your perspective. First, success isn't about working 24/7. Did you know that the most successful people actually prioritize rest? Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates swear by getting at least 7 hours of sleep. It's not about the hustle, it's about the recovery. Second, failure is your best friend. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. So that no you just heard might be the best thing that ever happened to you. Finally, being a genius isn't required. Research shows that qualities like persistence and emotional intelligence are far more important predictors of success than a high IQ. So, stop chasing perfection and start building resilience. Think differently. Succeed differently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content.